Helps center and guide the keel of your boat onto the trailer for level and safe trailering. Efficiently helps roll your boat to the trailer bow stop. Helps your boat from shifting side to side on the trailer. Made from natural rubber to buffer and protect your boat. 5/8 diameter mounting hole for easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. It's not your father's trailer roller anymore. I use these trailer rollers as motor jacks for transport. I have 2 outboards with hydraulic tilt/drip. I cut a slot in the roller, lengthwise, to fit over the hydraulic lift pin. Then I just lower the motor enough to put pressure on the rubber roller. They work great, just as well as the $50 factory jacks.